Essay on human behavior. Human behavior refers to the actions, reaction, and interaction of individuals in response to various stimuli in their environment. It encompasses everything from the way we think and feel to the way we behave and communicate with others. One of the most important aspects of human behavior is its variability. Each person has their unique personality, upbringing, and experiences which shape their behavior in different ways. This makes it difficult to predict how individual will respond to specific situations. At the core of human behavior uh, mm, is the motivation of satisfy basic needs such as food, shelter, safety, and social interaction. Individuals strive to fulfill these needs often through the acquisition of resources, power, and status. In addition to the basic needs, humans are also driven by psychological needs such as the need for self-esteem, autonomy, and a sense of belonging. This need can impact behavior in significant ways, including the development of personality traits and social behavior. The study of human behavior is a complex field that encompasses various disciplines including psychology, sociology, anthropology, and neuroscience. Researchers use various techniques to study behavior, including observation, experimentation, and computer modeling. One area of particular interest in the study of human behavior is social psychology. Social psychologists examine the ways in which individuals interact with each other, including their attitude, beliefs, and behavior in social situations. They also study how social norms, culture, and other social factors influence behavior. Another important aspect of human behavior is its relationship with mental health. Mental health disorders such as depression and anxiety can significantly impact behavior, including social interactions, decision making, and impulse control. Overall, human behavior is a complex and fascinating field of study. It involves the interaction of various internal and external factors that shape how individuals think, feel, and behave. Understanding human behavior is crucial to developing effective intervention and improving individual and societal well-being. Human behavior is the way people act or behave in various situations, and it encompasses a wide range of activities, including thoughts, feelings, and actions. Understanding human behavior is essential to gaining insight into why people act the way they do, how they interact with each others, and how they respond to different stimuli. There are several factors that influence human behavior, including genetics, upbringing, culture, and environment. Genetics can be determine certain personality traits and predispositions to certain behavior, such as aggression or impulsivity. Upbringing can also play a significant role in shaping behavior, as parents and caregivers have a significant influence on child's development and behavior. Culture can also shape behavior, as different societies have different norms, values, and can beliefs that influence how people behave in different situations. And environments can also have a profound impact on human behavior, as people often adapt their behavior to their surrounding. Human behavior is also influenced by various psychological theories such as behaviorism, cognitivism, and humanism. Behaviorism focuses on environmental factors that shape behavior, while cognitivism emphasizes the role of thoughts and beliefs in shaping behavior, whereas humanism focuses on individuals' experience and subjective perception of reality. Understanding human behavior is crucial in several fields such as psychology, sociology, and anthropology. In psychology, the study of human behavior is essential to diagnosing and treating mental health disorder. In sociology, the study of human behavior is essential to understanding how people interact with one another and how societies function. In anthropology, the study of human behavior is essential to understanding the cultural differences and similarities between different societies.
Human behavior is complex and multifaceted, and understanding it requires a multidisciplinary approach. By studying human behavior, we can gain insight into why people act the way they do, how they interact with each others, and how can we create more positive social and cultural environments. Ultimately, the study of human behavior is crucial to building a better understanding of ourselves and the world around us. Humans. If you think about this term, you will understand that it is not something simple. In fact, humans are like the major components on Earth. If it wasn't for humans, nothing would remain in the world, no business, no government, nothing else. So, humans are a requisite factor for anything in the world. Yet it comes to human behavior, it is something different. There have been many researches on human behavior. These researches focuses on understanding the way how humans make decisions, react, and plan. In fact, the contemporary technology has equipped these researches to get their hands on the human minds and behavior on a deeper level. Yet, the major challenge faced in understanding the human behavior is on how human brains support the changing nature. Generally, humans are agents who focus on providing what the body needs, including the mental needs, by adjusting the changing environment. The brain performance eventually support the cognitive process for outcome of human behavior. Keep reading to understand better. uh, there can be different ways on how researchers evaluate the topic of human behavior. If the scientific research generally have three types of under the topic of human behavior, it might be confusing at first, but you will eventually unfold the information. There are the three type of action, cognitions, and emotions. All these components together form human behavior. Now we will learn each type in detail. Human behavior play a role in one's everyday life. Women form an opinion about one another based upon behavior. When having a conversation with a person, if could be considered rude or thought to be hiding something. If eye contact is not made, behavior is not always the same throughout the life. It can vary. Early childhood experiences, future expectation, and beliefs have the greatest impact on human behavior. Early childhood experiences play a role in the various factors in one's life. A large scale example of how early childhood experience affect human behavior will greatly is the wild child gene. Jean was not given any love or affection as toddler, was strapped in a chair and was forced into the silence by her father. Jean could not walk properly, was incontinent, and could only speak a few words. Jean did not experience emotional support and typical childhood activities nearly all children in the US experience. Perhaps if Jean would have received love and support and was able to play like a normal child when she was a toddler, she could have thrived. A personal example would be my passion for being outdoors. When I was younger, my parents would always tell my stepbrother, stepsister, and I go to play outside. Thank you.